Hi, welcome to another Revit tutorial. Today I'm going to demonstrate on how to model the iconic Supertree at Garden by the Bay in Singapore. First, we're going to use the massing again in place mass. Create a reference plane so we could draw the form on the elevation. The first structure we're gonna form or we're gonna mass is the central element of Supertree. This structure comprises of lift and the staircase. After forming the two lines, two separate lines, select both and create form. Then apply a solid material. We could apply a solid white form on the massing element. After creating the internal part of the Supertrees, we're gonna create the external by using extrusion. Again, we need to draw a reference plane so we could draw it on the elevation. Because we're using extrusion, we're gonna form an enclosed lines. Use the offset to create the two lines. And then close to form the extrusion. And then just put an approximate a meter width and enter. After that, go to the top elevation, top level, and then you need to apply the void so you could create the branches. At the moment we're just gonna draw a small part of the tree, and then we could use the mirror. So now we're sketching the branches using the void form. And now we could use the mirror, then rotate. After I've done the model in the Revit, I've loaded it to the Lumion to add basic material and texture. I will probably show that on my next tutorial. The end of my tutorial. Hope you've learned something, and if you have any question and comments, please write down below. And if you don't mind, subscribe and ring the bell so I could keep you up to date on my next tutorial. Thank you.